Just keep going, keep going.
Show me please.
Keep going.
Very low.
Reset.
Mine also low.
Reset, 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 die fast. Or go back.
Go back, go back, go back.
Go back.
Yeah.
Agent, can you next time knock away like a 2 HP target? Like you saved Zarya so hard in the first push.
Genji is right side.
Zarya's on left by himself.
I know healers, so go in.
Nice, nice. Ah, get blocked.
Anna, stay on the payload, please.
Sorry, that was a bad charge.
Anna, stay on the payload, please. We need someone to stay there. Enemy Genji 1.
Genji was one.
Nice going, Murdo.
Nice.
Good job, guys. Kill Diana, kill Diana. Nice.
They're gonna have Earth Shatter.
Nice.
Zarya's on top.
I just pushed this man. Push this man.
Hands on top.
Sleeping?
Other one.
Anna, stay on payload, please. We need someone to stay on the payload, and this is Anna's job here in this comp. Nice.
Anna, payload.
Anna, stop pushing, please. Stay on the payload.
Okay, we lost everyone. We lost.
Go back, don't use any ults.
Player on this choke.
The Ana is not in voice chat, I just noticed, so she hasn't heard us a single time.
Ah, I get it.
Can I get healed? Thanks.
I was out.
Appreciate it. Nice heal.
Nice blocks, nice blocks.
Everything can be hacked. And everyone
Oh, okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Nice, well played.
Nice.
will. I am unstoppable. Score 3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Are you sure about Torb?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm the best Torp AUS.
Then why are you in plat?
One shot.
Cause shitty teammates.
Yeah, that's it.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
He's Grandmaster on his main, but he just cannot get out of blood with Torbjorn because of very bad teammates.
Yeah, that's actually true.
That's fake news. I've seen a Torb, you're one tricking Grandmaster.
Are we going to not hold top?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we're not holding there. That's bad spot to hold.
Okay. I'll just put my turret down there and move my ass.
Hold right side.
Enemy contact.
I will put my turret like here on the right side in the house.
Is a Sombra around? Sombra behind?
Never mind. Opposite the top. Can you hear me? I'm kinda low.
Run one.
Oh, nice.
And with a damn headshot.
Nice.
Sombra's behind us.
No one can hide from my sight.
Not really.
Yeah, she's gone. Finds a lung on the left.
Huge!
Nice!
Zarya, stay with Ryan, please. Don't flank like that. Stay with Ryan.
Sombra up.
Push them, push them, push them! We used Brigitta's ultimate, push them!
Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Sombra behind. Sombra behind. Just behind you guys. React, please.
I couldn't do it.
Okay, guys, look. Oh, we're still contesting this.
No one can have
Oh, nice.
my sight.
Nice.
I'm together.
We're a one.
Totally winnable.
Contest, contest, contest! Nice. Okay, when we use Brigitta's ultimate, try to stay together. Ryan, Zarya, Brigitta. Because Brigitta was left, Ryan, Zarya were right. Try to stay together.
My ultimate is charging. I need healing. 30 seconds. Victory is so close.
Running. The stun.
Nice.
Got my hammer. Shit, that's what I'm talking about.
Huge. GG, guys.